Alright, so what we're having here is we have a thermostat error on this BMW F30. The thermostat error is saying that there is an interruption in the line. So we remove the intake and this is what the thermostat looks like. So this is the connector for the thermostat. So we use the multimeter to check the resistance and it's wide open. So this needs to be changed.
All gods and gallus. Yeah. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, Grace. Yo, Kev. Link burger bread. Top chop, top crack. White shirt, white socks, I'm a snapback. POS on my laptop. Side of 3 plastic in my backpack. Man, hot cracker, hot cracker, hot cracker. Badness locking at the road, dark stop a man. Hot cracker, hot cracker, hot cracker. Some drive go a L, she go buy 2 slap a man. Hot cracker, hot cracker, hot cracker. Girl never call me them sugar daddy man. Hot cracker, hot cracker, hot cracker. Ask Chris, Esca, man start from dollar man. When me say cracker, I no Excelsior. When me say grabber, I no grab bag nigga. No stop crack when me reach 6 figure. Ice well cold pa me new chill up. Holy chin, you are the real head nigga. Boy violate pussy made with a spinner. Vagabonds are we a real skill killer. In a villa, got a girl give me head for the pillar. Discuss, them start cause one transaction coulda buy a brabus. But the thing well green me have the arms up. Couple matic and couple rifle we charge up. When you see the duffel load and a sawdust, money me a spend when me make from August. Fat pussy girl, pussy tight, no enormous. Step through with a crew spinners and a stars. Hot cracker, hot cracker, hot cracker. Badness locking at the road, dark stop a man. Hot cracker, hot cracker, hot cracker. Some drive go a L, she go buy 2 snap a man. Hot cracker, hot cracker, hot cracker. Girl never call me them sugar daddy man. Hot cracker, hot cracker, hot cracker. Ask Chris, Esca, man start from dollar man. Cash transfer, she cash advance. Fat matic on my belly strap that I'm pass. White color cry missing on my doctor glass. Society think me you one of them, I laugh, me laugh. Ha ha ha. Give me the receipt, come in and trust the charge. That's why me ever have it talkie for me. And if you broke me foot with me, I also party. I ain't a wheelchair, man, I go for smart. Hot cracker, hot cracker. Badness locking at the road, dark stop a man. Hot cracker, hot cracker, hot cracker. Some drive go a L, she go buy 2 slap a man. Hot cracker, hot cracker, hot cracker. Girl never call me them sugar daddy man. Hot cracker, hot cracker, hot cracker. Ask Chris, Esca, man start from dollar man. White shirt, white socks, I'm a snapback. POS on my laptop. Side of 3 plastic in my backpack.
Yeah, man. It looks like this will be what you're going to remove. Now you can get the thermostat to buy it on eBay or Amazon or your regular local dealership. So you get it dark, sturdy. Get it in there. There are 2 screws. On the top and on the bottom.
Alright.
Okay, so this is the thermostat. Oh.
So I'm gonna test them. Show you how to test them to see if it's good or bad.
Screws, cool it under there. Familiarize.
It's funny because once you receive connect to it, you will
See a reading.
get some sort of reading. So we test them leads here now. On multimeter, realize nothing changed, nothing happened. Testing, probing the leads. And we're not getting anything.
Your thermostat is dead.
So, we're gonna check the new one.
We got from Amazon.
Okay. The brand is Mali, or whatever that's pronounced by Mali there. Seems to be an original German manufacturer. Everybody recommends and have high praises, so that's what we work with. Now we're gonna check the leads.
There you go.
And then notice we're now getting reading. So this thermostat is good.
Good guy.
So it's time to install.
Now we're gonna reinstall the brand new thermostat.
This is the way it sits. So we're gonna put the screws in first. So that we can get them. Alright, so
All BMW screws are normally stock.
E-Torx. So this is the way it sits. So we're gonna line up the screws first. And slowly screw them. First one. So what we're going to do now is we're going to be bleeding the coolant system. So the first thing you want to do is you need to crack the breather holes. Not all the way, we'll just crack them. Like so. And then you're going to crack the next one down here. Right here. So, crack it. The whole bleeding system takes about 10 minutes. It'll be good if you have a battery charger, so you don't kill your battery, because we're going to need to activate the water pump. Alright, so we're going to start pouring in the coolant. Alright, so in order to bleed the coolant, what we're going to do is we need to turn the vehicle on and turn the heater all the way up. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so to turn it on, and we have to turn the AC off, turn the heater all the way up to the max on both sides. And then you press the gas. Now it's good to have a battery charger connected, because this takes about 10 minutes. So you keep the gas pressed and you will hear the gas pump begin to hum. Alright, and again, keep doing that until you see the coolant spraying in the reservoir. And again, remember, you're going to do that for about 10 minutes. You will also start to see coolant coming from around the bleeding screws. You just tighten them each time you see the coolant. Stay for them for about 10 minutes until all the air is out of the system. So you bleed the system. So that's basically how you change the thermostat on the F30 BMW. Next process we're going to do is to scan it. Our scan tool that we use, Damien is going to be doing the scanning. He's in charge of that part of the process. So I'm going to scan it and check again to see if the code comes up. But that's basically how you change the thermostat.